Good morning, ladies and gents, and welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a first ride review on my brand new to me Alpinestars Gunner V2 textile waterproof jacket. So if that is something of interest to you and you'd like to know more, sit back, relax, grab yourselves a cup of tea, and without further ado, on this wet, miserable Sunday morning, let us get into the video. So ladies and gents, how are we all doing? I hope you're doing well. As you can guess from the title of the video, we are talking about my new to me Alpinestars Gunner V2 waterproof textile jacket. Now straight off the bat, this is a first ride review, so I've only had the jacket about 48 hours, and from my initial riding, as you can tell through the weather that we are currently experiencing in the UK, it's absolutely abysmal. However, I am not going to let that stop me from giving you guys my first ride experiences and thoughts on what is a brand new jacket to me that I have owned for literally 48 hours. The quality of the jacket is 100% good. Do you know what I mean? It's not going to be rucker quality, but it's good. The waterproofing membrane is working an absolute treat in what can only be described as fucking monsoon weather, as you guys can see. Just wipe the lens so you can see what I'm talking about. And so far so good. I've been on the road for about 25 minutes or so, and apart from feeling a little bit chilly, not a drop of rain has got through, which is more than what can be said for my gloves. But first impressions of the Alpinestars Gunner V2 textile jacket, I'm actually in love with it. It's my kind of colours, you know. It's primarily black with a bit of red, a little bit of grey, which matches my RX-7V, which I'm very happy about. Now, as you can imagine, with weather like what we've got now, I don't expect the jacket to be waterproof forever. It has been earmarked to be waterproof for around an hour, hour and a half-ish at a push. But I reckon, depending on the severity of the rain, oh my god, the flooding, I reckon you could probably get about 2.5 hours out of it, if the weather's kind to you. If it's like it is now, I would say give it an hour and a half maximum, purely because of the fact that this isn't Gore-Tex, and if it was, it'd be a fuckload more in terms of money. You can pick this jacket up for around about £230 at most motorcycle stores. I shall put a link to the place I got my jacket from, which happens to be my work, in the description or in a card above, so you guys can go check that out for yourself if you so wish to buy one. I do find that Alpinestars generally does fit me better than most other brands. I have found in the past that I have struggled with jackets and trousers, especially around my waist and shoulders, with certain brands such as Dainese, RST, Risha, and a few others. The fits have been just a little bit off, to which case I've had to bite the bullet and go with Alpinestars, because that just is what fits me best. Let us open the visor. Hello! The jacket itself is doing well. You know, in these kind of torrential conditions, I don't expect anything to keep me fully dry, do you know what I mean? I mean, the only thing I know that I can guarantee is going to be dry by the time I get to where I'm going is my feet, because I'm wearing Gore-Tex boots. However, I can't say a bad word about Alpinestars as a brand. Okay, you can't expect the world from a non-Gore-Tex jacket, and I don't. I'm not going to lie. I don't expect the earth from a jacket that costs just over £200. But what I can tell you, hand on heart, so far the jacket has not leaked, considering how heavy the rain is. The water hasn't seeped in through the zips or anywhere in the stitching as yet. Just give the lenses a little wipe. So far, touch wood, the waterproofing is doing its job, and doing its job well. Now, I can't iterate this enough, ladies and gents. This is not a Gore-Tex jacket, so please don't think it's going to keep you dry for 2, 3, 4 hours at a push, because it won't. An hour, hour and a half, maybe 2 at a squeeze. But please don't take this video as a long-term review, because like I said, I've only been wearing the jacket for literally 48 hours. So I can't tell you honestly how good or how bad the waterproofing is until I've done a proper decent bit of mileage. But generally speaking, I'm impressed. As a brand, Alpinestars aren't really known for being great for their textiles, but their leathers are out of this world, in my opinion. And there will be a video coming out very soon of my other purchases, which are my brand new Alpinestars Atom V2 Jacket, the missile pants to go with it, and the Alpinestars SMX Plus boots from 2016 that I got on a really good deal through my work. But all those videos will be coming out soon enough, so you guys will have some delicious Alpinestar content to get your teeth into. But can we just take a moment, ladies and gents, to absolutely fuck off this British weather. This rain has been with us for the last 3, maybe 4 days, and it has absolutely no sign of letting up at all. There's absolutely no chance of it letting up, because apparently, according to the weather report, it's meant to be like this for the next week and a half. So yay for Mother Nature, yay for British weather, yay for winter. Or as I like to say, fuck you to winter. But on the whole, I can say hand on heart, this jacket, it's a brilliant jacket if you haven't got a huge budget to spend. But if you want a jacket that's a decent quality, decent fit, nice and comfortable, really warm, really good for those cold, wet days like what I'm in now, then I think this may be a worthwhile purchase. And like I said, if you are interested in a jacket like this, I will put a link to Alpinestars' website so you can have a look at it on their site, if it's still available, which I think it is. And I will put a link in the description or in a card above for the place where I got my jacket, which is my work. But again, like I said, I'll put a link in the description or in a card above so you guys can go check it out on my company's website. Because like I said, for a good, decent quality jacket that's not gonna, you know, break your bank, but also not gonna set the world alight in terms of brilliance. But if you want something that's comfortable, usable, easy to live with, oh my god, look at this flooding, then this, ladies and gentlemen, in my honest opinion, is definitely something worthwhile looking at. So if you are in the market for a good, decent quality textile waterproof jacket, then the Alpinestars Gunner V2 may be right up your street. But for now, ladies and gentlemen, this is where I'm going to leave you. So for now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you got something out of it. If you've got any questions, put it in the description box down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I possibly can. But for now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, be good, be safe, be happy, enjoy your bikes, beware of COVID-19, and as always, adios.